Good morning children, welcome to English class. In last class we have completed second lesson, right children? Today let's start our third lesson children. The third lesson, Open Studio, page 35 children. Third lesson title, The Boy Who Cried. Okay, the boy who cried wolf. Okay, the boy who cried wolf is our third lesson children. Here in Peppa activity one rhyme is there. Read it children. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa. Eating sugar, no papa. Telling lies, no papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Okay, why did Johnny's father ask him to open his mouth? Why Johnny's father asked Johnny to open his mouth children? Because Johnny's father don't believe him. Because Johnny is telling lies. Is that good thing children telling lies? No, but here Johnny is telling lies. Okay, like that Johnny only, here also one boy is there. Okay, about that boy only this story. See children in page 35. Page 35, first paragraph. See. Cyrus is a shepherd boy. He lives in Greece. Cyrus has many sheep on his farm. One day he plays a trick. He runs to the villagers crying, "Help! The wolf is eating my sheep." Okay, here the boy name is what children? Cyrus. Okay, Cyrus is a shepherd boy. Shepherd boy means the person who takes care of the sheep. He lives in Greece. Greece means like how we are living in India. Like that Greece is a country name children. He lives in Greece and Cyrus is a shepherd boy. And now one day what happened is Cyrus wants to play trick with the villagers. So what he did? He ran near to the villagers and he called all the villagers like this, "Help, help, the wolf came and eating my sheep." Wolf means what children? తోడేలు. ఓకే, wolf వచ్చి ఏం చేసిందంట? నా sheep అంతటిని తినేస్తుంది. Please come and help me. Like that he is asking. Now turn the page. Okay, there. The villagers came to help the boy. They see no wolf in the field. Cyrus laughs at them. He says, "I lied, it's just a joke." Okay, what happened children? The villagers hurriedly they came to the field to help the Cyrus and to save the sheep. But there is no wolf there in that field. Okay, field la em ledanta wolf ledu. And while these villagers are disappointed like that, the Cyrus is laughing at them. Okay, నవ్వుతూ చెప్తున్నాడు అనమాట. No wolf, it's not there. I just lied. Lied means అబద్ధం. Okay, నేను మీకు అబద్ధం చెప్పాను. It's just a joke. Okay, is that good thing children? No. See now next what happened. Okay, the villagers are angry with the boy. They tell him not to tell lies. Okay, the villagers what they told? Okay, they are very angry. If someone tells lies to us, how we will feel children? We will feel very happy? No, we will get very angry. Yes or no? That means కోపం, చాలా కోపం వస్తుంది. Like that the villagers also they got angry and they didn't give any punishment, but they just counseled him not to tell the lies. అబద్ధాలు చెప్పకూడదు, don't tell lies, and they went away. And after that, some days later, Cyrus plays the trick again. The villagers run to help him. They find no wolf again. They are very angry. They call him a liar. Okay, what happened children? After few days, కొన్ని రోజులు అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ Cyrus what he did? Again he playing same trick. Help, help, the wolf came and eating my sheep. Again the villagers ran near to the sheep. Again no wolf, it's not there. Now the villagers are very angry now and they all call him as a liar, abadhikudu. Okay, no one wants to believe him anymore. Okay, they treat him as a liar. After that, see, after a few days a wolf actually comes. He runs to the village screaming, "A wolf is eating my sheep." The villagers think he is telling a lie again. No one comes to help him. The wolf eats all his sheep. Now what happened, children? After few days later, now all the villagers are angry with this boy, no? And they all are calling him as a liar. After few days, really the wolf came, children. Now నిజంగా ఇప్పుడు wolf వచ్చేసింది. Now the cirrus is running for the help. Please help me, please help me. The wolf is eating my sheep. Could anyone believe him now? No, no one cannot believe him because so many times he told lies only and everyone is calling him as a liar. Now the villagers think that again he is lying. మళ్ళీ అబద్ధం చెప్తున్నాడు అని అనుకుని no one went to help him now. And the wolf eats all his sheep. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైందంట? wolf eaten all the sheep in the field. ఏం చేశారు? cirrus ఉన్న sheep అన్ని wolf తినేసింది. Now finally cirrus is sad. He thinks, why did I lie? No one believes me now. I wish I had not lied at all. What he is thinking now, నేను ఎందుకు అబద్ధం చెప్పాను? Okay, for that only no one is believing me. Now నేను ఒక్కసారి అబద్ధం చెప్పాను, not only one time. Okay, so many times keep on I am telling lies only. That's why now I am telling truth also. No one is believing me. ఇప్పుడు నేను నిజం చెప్పినా కూడా ఎవరు నన్ను నమ్మట్లేదు. So I wish that I had not lied at all. నేను ఎప్పుడు అబద్ధం చెప్పకూడదు అని అనుకున్నారనమాట. ఓకే, ఫైనల్లీ who lost, children? cirrus only lost. Yes or no? Yes, like that we also, children, if we keep on telling lies, means if really tells truth also, no one believes us. So we also should never tell lies. We always, if it is good or bad also, we should tell truth only all the time. With this we have completed the story for the third lesson, children. I will send the question time pics and classwork pics also in your WhatsApp. Okay, please complete it, children, and send it to me. Okay, meet you in next class, and in our next class we'll start our grammar topic. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.